around, snail. Yeah. Slide to the right, slide to the left, crisscross. Get up, babe. Catch. Right. Look for something to like.
What? He threw it.
Here we go, babe. Are you kidding me, bro? Yeah, I am. I am scared. I'm not like that. That's not fun. Come on up here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, Rio.
Good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The white coach, the white umpire, he said, it's green co. What the heck is a green co? You green co? He said, it's green co, not gringo. Whiter than paper. He think he knows Spanish? Whiter than paper. What? This white. Come deep. Whee! I love base running. It's so fun. Base. It's just the funnest. I love base running. Boing, boing. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's go, Darren! Base running is just so fun. Yeah, I wish I could steal. Hit me something good. Hit something good. Oh, we're good. Hey, let's go, D! Stupid slotty mitt. All right, we're good. Let's go. Ah! Okay. Right foot creep. When was the last time someone did the green? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on! Good spin, baby! Oh yeah! Right foot around, snail. Yeah. Slide to the right, slide to the left, crisscross. What
happened to you, man?
I'm happy. Good. I'm always happy.
Good, good.
First base next inning? Yes, sir. First base next inning. I love first base. It's my favorite position. So, I'm slow and it sucks. They burn me. They're gonna get a triple. That Ethan hit over here, he gets a triple on. They're scared. At least it's already, yeah. He's throwing straight.
It's not bad, no, I'm just saying.
I piss harder than him.
Shut up, bro.
Piss harder than he throws. Bro, I be in the bathroom becoming like straight missiles.
It's not bad. Kind of like jump around on my base and make him throw it back.
That's what I'm saying. Oh. That's what I...
Grab yourself.